Hi, I'm Jeff Jeanette, Master Harley Technician for Southside Chopper, St. Pete, Florida. Today's topic of discussion is where to find women's biker clothing, actually motorcycle clothing. A subject as varied as the women themselves. I'm going to hand that topic, since it's not my particular field of expertise, over to our Motor Clothes and Collectibles Manager, Paula Isler.
Women's motorcycle clothing can be found in various outlets. Aftermarket shops, of course, each has their own logo. I find that a lot of women do not care to have a lot of print on their t-shirts. You can go to normal department stores, the rhinestones, the skull. It all is a matter of preference. Of course, Harley Davidson has their own, but as you can see, Harley Davidson trend in women's clothing has taken over into the public sector also. So you can go into a lot of department stores and find a lot of the motorcycle type apparel. We carry a vast selection here, and like I said, a lot of women do not care to have a lot of print on the back of their shirts nor the front, but yet they want to be in style. So here at Southside Choppers, we have a little variety, including the leathers and so forth, with studding or just plain so that it looks just like a normal jacket that you would buy in a department store. And it can be also decorated, or you can have like the fringe on it. A lot of women like the fringe, or the sexy look with an open back and so forth. And the same goes for a lot of the clothing. Very simple, no logo on the back, but yet they want to be in style. A lot of women like the jewel effect too, and they like just simple writing, easy rider or so forth. The logos stay very, very simple. The gentlemen prefer more of the skull effect. Some women do too. I suggest that if you want a variety of clothing, the aftermarket shops would be a place to go, because you're not set on one set logo. You're going to find various different types. Again, please support your locally independent shops. Like I said, there is a variety. You're not just strictly Harley Davidson clothing. Thank you. My name is Paula Isler. I'm with Southside Choppers in St. Petersburg, Florida.